Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about
The biggest reason for lag is editing raw 4K files. Go to your settings, then the Performance tab. Toggle on Proxy. This creates low-res versions of your clips for editing, then switches back to 4K for the export. It's like magic instant speed without losing quality. Next, stay in that Performance tab and make sure hardware acceleration is checked. This forces CapCut to use your graphics card instead of just your CPU. While you're at it, go to the Cache tab and hit Clean. Overloaded cache files are the silent killer of project speed. If it's still lagging, your computer is fighting for air. Close Chrome, it's a memory hog.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
In CapCut, go to the player window and change the preview quality from full to medium quality. This lowers the playback resolution but keeps your edits precise. Finally, when you export, make sure your codec is set to H264 and recommended bitrate is on. This ensures your computer doesn't overheat during the final render. Is your CapCut still lagging after this? Comment your CPU model below and I'll help you troubleshoot. See you in the next one.
And make sure you double check these two cool effects.